Hi guys, welcome to the Standing Wave Lab. The materials that we're going to need are the iLab device, the eye hook, string, tape, a motor, a breadboard, a Snell's Law dish, the battery pack, and various leads. The first thing we're going to do is take one edge of the string and tie it underneath the table. This could be to the base or the leg of the table. We're doing this for stability purposes. The next thing we're going to do is take the other end of the string, loop it over the table, and tape the string to the edge of the table. Following that, we're going to take the motor and we're going to tie a knot around the motor. Now we're going to tie the knot around the motor. So you could do whatever knot that you know how to do, but I'm going to show you the one that we found to be the most effective. So we're going to take the one edge of the string and wrap it around 2 or 3 times. And now we're going to make bunny ears and twist it in your hand. Now take the one edge of the motor and go through the loop and pull the other edge. As you see, we have the knot. You could do this 2 or 3 more times. Now that we tied the string to the motor, what we're going to do is take roughly 60 to 70 centimeters of string from the motor and cut it. Then what you're going to do is attach it to the eye bolt hook of the iLab device. Now what I'm going to show you is how to give more support to the motor, because we don't want it vibrating amongst the table. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the Snell's Law dish and we're going to place it close to the motor such that it's roughly to the edge of the motor but not touching it. So as you can see, if I let go of the string, the motor stays elevated. So what now we want to do is take tape and tape down the sides of the dish, along with taping the string to the edge of the dish. So now we're going to power up the motor. So this is where the breadboard and the battery pack comes in. It's okay if you do not know what a breadboard is, you will learn more about it in the second semester. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the red lead of the motor and plug it into A1. As you can see, when you build the motor yourself, that the leads of the motor are somewhat small, and when the motor starts to vibrate, it's going to come out of the hole. So what we're going to use to support it is another lead that you guys should have. And we're going to plug this into the same exact hole as the red lead, so A1 again. So now we're going to just take the other edge, or the other side of the wire, and I'm going to plug it into A22. So now what we're going to do is take the red lead from the battery pack and plug it into E22. Now what we're going to do is take the black lead of the motor and I'm going to plug it into A7. Again, we're going to do the same thing for support and take another lead, plug it into the same hole that the black lead is in. So again, A7. And I'm going to jump this down to C12. And I'm going to put the black lead from the battery pack into E12. This here would complete the circuit and give power to the motor.